Hello, Bladers. Excited to go for a long drive after quarantine? Remember, some of your cars have been left idle for a long time, and a quick check is best to ensure your safety on the road. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. We have put together a list of essentials that you should prepare to ensure road safety. Here are the top 7 things to check before going on that road trip. First, check your battery. Go to an automotive service shop and get your battery checked to ensure that it has enough juice and is sufficient for a long trip. If your battery is dead because it hasn't been used for a long time, try using a battery charger to make sure that your battery is in a healthy condition. Look for CTEK chargers at www.blade.ph. It's not easy to predict when your battery will stop working. That's why it is advisable to check your battery's warranty card and see when it's due for replacement. Second, lights. Ensure that your lights are ready for night drives by checking all the vital lamps, not only head and rear lights, but also fog lights, high-mount stop light, turn signal and daytime saving ones. Make sure to make extra time in checking it. Third, engine oil. Make sure that the oil level is near full volume and its consistency is similar to honey. This is to ensure that your road trip would be smooth flowing. You can use the dipstick test to check it. Fourth, water. To ensure that the vehicle won't overheat, you must check your engine's water level before even going on a trip. Water will help keep your engine stay cool for a long travel, especially a remote area where you cannot find a place to refill your supply easily. Number 5. Brakes. This is so critical and it's a no-brainer. Make sure to inspect your brake pads and brake fluids. 6. Tire air pressure. Make sure that all your tires have proper air pressure. It lessens the risk of blowout and increases fuel efficiency. You can have this checked in any gas station, in case you don't have a tire gauge with you. An air compressor in your car will be helpful when you can't find any gas station near you. This is available in blade.ph. Lastly, gas. Make sure that your car has enough juice. Check the gasoline stations on the way and make sure that your car has gas to reach your destination. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.